This is how you do not cross a creek. See the situation here? This is not how you do it, people. This is not good. That is buried. That is so buried. Lucky it didn't snap off. Just watch out for your trailer cord there, Dave. Yeah. He's getting bogged there. Oh, another frog. 2 frogs. They're all happy burrowed there, and then Dave come along and scared the shit out of them. Cute little frogs. Oh shit! Don't jump out, you crazy mother. There you go, mate. Cute little frogs. This is Brad about to do the creek crossing. Nice and gentle there, Brad. Good job. Good job, bro. This is the tricky part. What happens? Oh, he's gunning it. He's gunning it. He's done a dive. He's done a dive. Whoa, bro.
Yeah.
He gunned it. He gunned it. Morning. Welcome back to Leonora. It has rained. We've got a bit of sunshine, and I have a nice sounding target, which I'll let you guys listen to. Now, apologise for the wind. It is very windy, so let's try and get this out as quickly as we can. I'll let you have a listen. Now, it could be a bullet. It is screaming. It is a screamer. Oh, the ground's so wet. It is so wet, the ground. It's going to be muddy. You see the X-coil's already muddy from yesterday. Yeah, she's still in the ground. Oh, so wet. Jeez. It's going to be hard scooping. Oh, she's out. Oh, time to get muddy. Hold on a second. I need to get some water. This could be good. I think I saw a little bit of something shining here. This could be very exciting. Don't think it's lead. Again, sorry for the wind. But this could be. Oh yeah. Right near the car. I found a monster. Oh yeah, that's gold. Look at that. Oh, a bit of ironstone on him. Oh yeah, on the gold. That is, oh, that's a couple grams, I reckon. Dirty gold. On the gold. Gold. Oh, that's a cracker. Oh, I can't wait to show Brad. Woo, look at that bad boy. That is awesome. Okay, just found that nice, probably 2 grammer there. I've just walked up here. I got a nice sounding target up here. I'll let you have a listen. Oh. Bit wobbly. Oh, so wet. Alright, fingers crossed. Another sorry for any wind. Oh, hopefully you can see me there. Oh, please be another nug. Oh, so wet. So, oh, this is wet. Beautiful red colour. Still in the hole. She's a screamer! She's out. No, hot rock. Oh, so hard shoveling this dirt out of the scoop. It's so wet. It is so. Oh, hold on a sec. I think I just saw something. Oh, where is it? Oh, holy dooly! Oh, oh, another nuggie. Oh. That, oh, that wind, that is a nice bit. It's like an old telephone. Oh, nearly dropped him. Oh yeah. Ah, happy man on the goal. That's 2. 1, 2. I'm gonna keep going up there. Hopefully find some more. These are good sized nugs. Oh yeah, oh that wind. On the gold. Alrighty, I've only got a little bit of battery left and this is awesome. 1, 2, I've just got another target here screaming as well. So I'll set you up and then hopefully it's another nice nug. Got to run out of battery. My other one's flat. I'll let you have a listen. Please be there. Oh, please be another nice nuggie. Please, please, please. Oh. Yep, she's out. She's a screaming. Please battery last. Please battery last. Don't die me battery. I can see it. Oh my god. Oh, nice flat bit. Oh. This is going to be one of the best days ever. Have a look at this. Nice flat bit. It's over half a gram, maybe even close to a gram. That is, oh yes, got a bit of weight to it. On the gold. 3 nugs in about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Yeah, woohoo! The target. Not as loud. It's got the right sound. Fingers crossed. Oh, how muddy! I can't believe how muddy this ground is. That is muddy ground. Oh no, termite's nest. Termite's nest. Termite nest. termite's nest here. I'll sort it out and get you back. Alright, bit noisy ground. Got Brad over here, he's helped me out. It's in this pile. I think it's in here.
Come on.
Not there?
Not there. Yeah. Oh.
No?
No.
No?
It's in your hand. In your hand.
I can't hear you speaking, that's all.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh. Yep, there
Nuggy.
he is. There he is.
What do you got?
Another nuggy. Another nug.
Another nug.
Oh, she's dirty.
She's very dirty.
She's very muddy. So muddy here. But listen to this. She's a good little bit. Oh, half a grammer. Thank you, Brad. I knew there was a nuggy there, but this ground right here is really noisy. He came in and helped me out. That's what good mates are for. Yeah. Another one there, you reckon?
Oh no, I can't hear.
It's not my coil there, is it? Doing it?
Nah.
Alright, on the gold. Alright, I think I got time for one more video before my battery dies, and this sounds really good. So let's dig this out before my battery dies. Let's go. Nowhere. Oh, please be another nuggy. Yeah, I got a patch. I got 5 nuggies all in a row. That sounds good. Alright. Oh, it's mud. It's so hard to scoop it out. It is rock solid mud. What did I just say? Oh yeah, it's a nug. Another little flat bit. Oh, and the sun's coming out. Just so I can show it to you guys. Look at that. 0.3, 0.4 of a gram. Oh, this is so good. Because literally, there I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th nug in a line. I'm gonna keep working my way up the hill, hopefully find some more. But that is good gold. And the sun's out. Beautiful sun. We had so much rain overnight, but we're on the gold. Yeah! Drunk Brad.
Yeah, I know,
All
but you've still got it.
Alright, let's dance. Let's dance. Go. Do the moves. Do the moves, boys. That's it. Oh, look out. Oh no, this is scary now. Oh no, that's too scary. Woo! Yeah, boys, Brad's here, Dave's here, Richo's here. We're on the gold. Leonora, look at that bloody sunset there. That is, look at that fire. Look at Dave's dance moves. Look at Brad's dance moves.
No dance move.
Oh, this is amazing. Perfect, 20 degrees.
On the gold.
On the gold!